we are going to talk about a flash write piece that you did earlier, and it is around this picture. Okay. Alright. So the question is, write as quick as a flash of lightning. We will play a song, and you can only write when the song is playing. When the song is over, then you need to stop. You will write about, for this specific picture, you will write about zoos are a fun place for children. Okay? You've done flash write many times before, right? In the past. So this is not the first time. So usually you start the piece with I agree or disagree. That the statement, right? Because, and then use text evidence from the picture. So let's look at your writing. Can you read what you wrote?
I agree because there are many animals such as giraffe, monkey, chicken, and pigs. The boy and the dad are having fun exploring, and maybe the zoo owner gives the boy a balloon.
Okay, so I see that you've referred back to the picture when you're talking about the giraffe, but let's look at your first sentence. You wrote, I agree because there are many animals. Okay, so there's one thing I want to talk about first. When you are starting your first sentence, it's always a good idea to refer back to what you're agreeing or disagreeing about. In this case, what is that?
I agree that zoos are fun for children.
Good. So if you wrote just I agree, as the reader, we don't know what you're talking about, right? So if you wrote that zoos are a fun place for children, then it could clarify what you're agreeing with,
They
right?
can know if we have the paper.
Okay, but if we don't have the paper, and then we won't know what you're talking about. So it'd be good if you can add more details to your answer.
If the reader read it, I think I should write. I think.
Okay, you can write I think, but as long as you talk about what the statement you're agreeing with or disagreeing with, that's very helpful for the reader in general. Okay, so let's see. Because there are many animals. So you say it's fun because there are many animals. So if there's a lot of animals in one place, that's automatically fun? You have to explain why.
Because there are a lot to watch.
Yes, because you can watch the animals, see what they're doing. In this picture, what do you see the animals doing? Eating the leaves. Okay, good. And you say monkey, chicken, and pig. In this picture, I think I only see one animal.
Giraffe.
Yeah, the giraffe.
But there may be those animals in the zoo.
Good. So there may be monkey, chicken, and pig, but we always encourage you to only use the evidence from the picture. Okay, so next time, if you can just use this example, that would be great. I like that how you brought in other animals though. It shows that you're thinking outside of this picture, which is good. Okay, so the boy and the day, I think you mean dad here, right? Are having fun exploring, and maybe the zoo owner gave the boy a balloon. Okay, I see two problems with this word in the middle of the sentence there, and this word in the middle of the sentence the. So they're both capitalized. What should we capitalize these words if they're in the middle? Okay, they should be
Lowercase.
Yeah, lowercase. Okay, so next time, before you hand it in to Miss Yang or I, please make sure that you check over these things, okay? That what's capitalized should be capitalized, what's lowercase should be lowercase.
But instead of write as fast as a
Okay.
But if we write fast and then check over, it will waste time.
Okay, that's true. That's true. But just quickly before you hand it in, try to read it quickly, skim it, and see if there is anything like that. I understand that there's a time constraint, but do the best you can. Okay, that's all we ask. And also, okay, the boy and let's look at the content of what you wrote. The boy and the dad are having fun exploring. Okay, so next time you said would talk more about watching animals. You have to bring this back to why it's fun. So why is watching animals fun?
They do many things.
Yes, they do many things, right? So next time, go off of this thought and just keep explaining why and why and why. When you're talking about also the balloon, if I see a balloon, automatically I'm having fun?
No,
Yeah, so how does that show that he's having fun?
because he's looking at he's exploring many animals.
He's what?
Exploring animals?
With a balloon?
No.
Okay. So how does the balloon show that he could be having fun?
The owner like him.
Okay, that could be a reason, but you have to say that, okay? Just not, because if you just write that he got a balloon, we have to, you have to explain why that means that he's having fun. Okay?
Okay.